Vibe coding is in the vogue. If you had tried vibe coding, then you must have faced the horror of the code base completely corrupted by the agents. Agents inside Cursor, Windsurf-like IDEs might delete the code it has written or modifies it so much in the wrong way that the app you are building no longer works. You might be building the next amazing app that's going to bring you the dollars by piloting the agents in IDEs like Cursor, Cline, or Windsurf. Then with one instruction, all of that work is gone, along with money you have spent on the tokens. In this video, I'm going to show how to keep your code safe from agentic IDEs corrupting it by using GitHub. First up, start by signing up for GitHub account. Use your Gmail ID to do it. Next, sign in to GitHub and click on the green New Repository button. There are two types of repositories, public and private. Private repository will be discussed in another video. We will use public repo in this video. This repo will be visible to everyone in the internet. Also, the code from the repo can be downloaded by anyone. They cannot edit the content of your repo. You have to learn using GitHub committing code to it with public repository. Decide a name for the repo, like myapp1. Next, check that initialize repository with readme.md. Under the Add gitignore, select the language that you are using to create the app. A gitignore file will be created based on the selected language. This file is required for keeping your credentials safe and avoiding unwanted folder committed to the repo. You can leave the license alone. Click on the Create button and you will be taken to a new page with your repo name. Next, open Command Prompt or Terminal on your computer. It will be a black box with a cursor blinking like this. Do not use the terminal inside IDEs like Cursor and Windsurf. Use that when you are vibe coding. Here you are trying to keep your code safe from these IDEs, so use the terminal that provided on your operating system. On Windows, press Windows key, then type keyemd in search bar. Click on the cmd icon and a new window will open. Ensure it is Command Prompt and not PowerShell. On Mac, you can use Spotlight Search and type Terminal and select the app. If you're using Linux, then you have most probably used Terminal already. The terminal will have a prompt. It will look like this in Windows, and in Mac and Linux, it will look like this. Prompt will be in your home folder by default. As of now, leave it the way it is. We will be cloning the repo that we created above. The folder will appear inside this home folder. You must know where to look after cloning. On Windows, if you open your Explorer, your home folder will be here. On Mac, your home folder can be accessed using the Go menu or using Shift-Command-H shortcut key. On Linux, it will be here. Let's first find whether your system has Git installed. Run git version, and if there is no output, then you need to install Git. Head to the Git SCM site and get it installed. The link provided in description. You can see the steps to install Git in different operation system. After that, close and reopen a new terminal. This is important, else Git commands will not be recognized. We are ready to clone the repo now. Go back to GitHub repo and click on green code button and copy the HTTPS link given there. Go to the terminal. Check once if the terminal is in the home folder. Type git clone and paste the copied link like this. Better use the right mouse click and paste. If you open the home folder, you will see a new folder with the name of the repo you created in GitHub. You have cloned the repo. We will open myapp1 folder inside your favorite ID. Open the IDE of your choice, Cursor, Windsurf, or vscode. You will be given an option to open a folder. If the IDE opens with existing project, then close it by going to File menu and clicking Close Folder. Then you will see Open Folder option. Click that. Navigate to Home folder and select the cloned repo folder. The IDE will now modify the files inside the repo folder only. The IDE will detect the folder opened is a Git repo and offer to sync. Go ahead and accept it. You can start vibe coding now. After some coding, you think you have your first feature ready. We must commit this code to GitHub repo before proceeding further. Open the terminal inside the IDE itself. The terminal will look like this. Prompt is pointing inside the myapp1 folder. Type git add dot. This will stage the contents of current folder inside Git. Then type the command git commit m followed by a commit message. The message can be simply first feature, like this. This will commit your code to Git locally. The changes is yet to be updated to GitHub. Type the command git commit origin main and press Enter, like this. The changes will be uploaded to your repo on GitHub. You can check it now in your repo on GitHub. Continue vibe coding and get the agent to implement more features. Every time, keep committing to the repo with the appropriate commit message. When you find the agent has modified the code incorrectly and it is unable to correct, simply close the IDE and delete the MyApp1 folder. Go to your GitHub repo in your browser like this. Copy the HTTPS like we did the first time. Open your terminal and type the command git clone and paste the link. You will get the MyApp1 folder with last best feature you pushed. Open it again in the IDE and start vibe coding. I have shown the command line method for cloning the repo and commit to it. IDEs already support the Git operations using the GUI. Click on the version control icon here. It will open up the side panel where you can see the changes made in the folder. When you want to commit a new feature, enter the commit message here and click on the commit and sync button below like this. It will push the changes to GitHub repo directly. Remember, when you face issue with the codebase corrupted by the agent, simply close the folder and clone it again. I believe this video has been helpful. Subscribe to my channel for getting notification when I upload new videos. Do leave a like and comment if you have any questions. Share the video with others. Till the next video, have a great time, happy learning, and coding.